Hey everyone, most of the time that you might have seen me creating a video, and pretty much I share with you my results on how much we actually made from our monetized channel. But this channel I wanted to show you because this channel we literally blew from ground zero, so you can actually see the progress of this particular channel, and you can actually see the results on this channel, right? So let me refresh this page so you can see I'm not bullshitting some sort of results. Like, this is in real time, and pretty much we are building this channel from ground zero. And we, I think, started this channel close to about we didn't start that long ago, to be honest. So let's see the lifetime, and let's see in 90 days, right? So you can see the whole figures. So we literally didn't start uploading till about February. So yeah, February 6th. As you can see, this is March 5th, the date today. So you can see the gradual increase in views, okay? And soon this channel will actually also be monetized. So I'm really excited for that because you can see how much this channel is actually blowing up big time. The subscribers that we got so far is 718 subs currently, but it is increasing daily. And this is we actually building for one of our done for you client. Most of the channel that we actually start for our done for you client, we start them on a already monetized channel, so that way they can start earning from day one. However, when this client actually started working with us, and we shared with them like we're gonna be building a channel for him on a already monetized channel, and because he already had like few channels in the background that's actually running and giving him passive income, so I said, instead of just starting on a already monetized channel, why don't we actually build his channel from ground zero? Okay, so that's what he actually did. And we got together, and we shared with him the whole channel niche, the strategy, how we're going to be blowing up this channel. And he was quite impressed with what we can actually do with this channel brand, right? So as you can see, 718 subs, and the views every 48 hours it is increasing, because we know what sort of audience is actually attracting on this particular niche, right? We already know the audience because this niche is like no gurus out there actually know about this niche. And literally when we started, because we have actually got a lot of experience in this particular niche, we know how to scale this channel, right? We can actually create multiple channels. So we are actually one of the biggest channel. Like I've also got like few of the channels like way bigger than this channel. So we know the actual process of how to actually grow this particular niche. Okay, so very easy, and you can see the results speak for themselves, right? Let me refresh the page again, so you know this is real numbers, real results. And like every time we are gonna be refreshing the page, you can see the data in real time. And the subs are increasing daily, the views are coming in daily. And the good part about this niche is less competition, meaning more subscribers on our channel. And I'll be excited to actually blow this channel up to like 1 million subs within a very short amount of time, because we already know the actual process, how we're gonna be scaling this channel to the moon. Okay, so won't be long until this channel is actually monetized. And we're gonna be doing another consultation with a client this coming weekend, right? And every day is actually messaging us, him being quite happy with the channel and everything. And pretty much what else we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be setting up a few different income streams for this client. So how we're gonna be monetizing in through sponsorship, right? And also few brand deals as well, right? And we actually doing that in the pipeline. So this channel is gonna be earning 3 different ways. Okay, the first way we're gonna be earning like most typical ways how people actually earn income on YouTube is you with Google AdSense, right? So that's one income stream. Another income stream is gonna be sponsorship, brand deals, and we're also gonna be doing like affiliate as well, because this channel is very well aligned with that, and where we going to be going with this channel and also the brand, right? We're just not building like any faceless channel. This is like a big brand that we're actually creating in here, right? So I'm really passionate and be able to work with the client, because he's also got a lot of experience with the brand deals and like sponsorship. So that way I'm also learning as well. So that way when I get new clients as well for my done for you service, I can share this strategy with them as well, so that way they can also be benefiting from this actual done for you service as well, right? Another thing, very common thing that I also see is how to get explosive growth on your channel when you're actually starting out on your faceless channel. Okay, this is a huge thing that people actually go through, the huge struggle people actually go through. They don't know how to grow a channel very fast, because if you go and see all my videos and the results on my channel, we upload few videos and the channel just takes off like that. The reason is because we know the format, the right format. When we do the testing, we know what format to actually put the videos on, and we have a formula in place. Like I've actually been using this formula since 2018 2019, and we know how to blow the channels fast. Okay, it's no point just wasting money on your faceless channel and you're getting no results whatsoever. Okay, to me that's like a very easy way for people to get frustrated. Like people throw a lot of money on, I know, on video ideas, a lot of money on talents, a lot of money on these so-called gurus who's gonna be making them rich overnight, right? I've actually done all those things. I know how it actually feels like. Like I was one of those people who actually investing into different mentors. Hey, can you help me? Can you help me? Can you help me? Like I was wasting money. It was frustrating. But once I actually got the right guidance and the right mentor, I was working with him one-on-one. He shared with me the strategy, and I've actually been using that same formula since when I started getting success till this day. That same foundation I've been using across all my many channels. I've sold many channels and also scaled many of my done for you clients channels. I've also shared the same strategy with my one-on-one mentoring students, and also some of the friends. I also shared them the same exact strategy. It is working in real time. It is like a principle, you know. So there's a principle of gravity, right? If you go on a big building, you jump off, you're gonna be falling down. Okay, you're not gonna be flying up, because that's the principle, that's the law. Okay, so if you follow the law and if you use that law on your YouTube channel, you're gonna be growing, and you're gonna be growing fast. Okay, and I've actually been using the same law since I started my YouTube automation journey. Okay, so let me refresh the page again so you can see, right? And this channel will be monetized in very short amount of time. I'm really excited because this channel is just going wild. Okay, it is going bonkers. It is like, it's wild. A lot of gurus actually showing you, hey, I made like a billion $1,000 per month, but they're sharing with them the channel that they actually blew up probably 5-6 years back. This is recent, which actually tells me YouTube faceless content are working in real time. Okay, and I'm just a living proof. Like I used to be a truck driver. I used to drive between 14 to 16 hour shift every single day, driving truck. I had no skills whatsoever. I didn't even know about faceless content. Okay, but when I actually learned the process, it's like printing money on demand. Like I can actually print money on demand using these platforms like YouTube, TikTok. If you know how the algorithm works on one platform, I'm pretty sure you can actually know how the platform works if you know one platform. Okay, just master one platform. It's gonna be easy for you to master another platform. Very easy. Okay, so I'm not saying that I'm sort of master or genius. You know, I've been using the law and law to actually be able to grow the channel. And if you do the same thing, you gonna get success as well. So again, thank you so much. Let me know what you have actually learned from this. If you're struggling with your YouTube channels, put in the comment section and I'll be able to help you out. God bless and bye.